same thing.
That's what I was telling him.
Y'all used to do it so much, you used to have a soapy mouth. Remember, you used to have soap all on them from eating them. We used to blow it out.
You having fun out here.
Bear creates yummy memories back to you guys. You should name Bear Yummy.
Yummy too. Yummy too.
Yummy too.
Yummy Junior. Yummy the second.
That's a royal name.
No, the third usually be the, you know. Yummy the third, but Yummy the
Look,
second.
Pop.
What's that?
It's from the bubble machine.
That's from the bus. Oh, that water. That's from that water bowl.
Mia.
Yep.
It's just water.
And she talking about that up there.
I got one.
You go in that door one more time, you going inside. Y'all gonna step in that poo-poo.
Hey, watch this by you. Nobody want to pick it up.
We have a pooper scooper in the house.
You gonna pick it up?
You gonna pick it up?
No. That's
Just
Pick it up about
just
pick it
a
up.
piece of Skittle.
in his poo? Why are you looking at it? Now it's time for it to pick it up.
Not with my hands.
No, not with your hands.
I'll go.
Where's the
Yeah,
pooper
y'all
scooper
pick it
at?
up.
I'm gonna pick it up.
So nobody have to worry about stepping on it.
Bring a ShopRite bag out. Gotta
You put it in a ShopRite bag. You gotta put it in.
Yeah, you can't leave it in the
That's like come bags.
Huh? Mary ain't gonna never stop until the bubbles keep
The
coming.
bubble stuff will still be jumping.
Oh, he found what he loved.
Where's the poo-poo?
What's the
I
pooper
got
scooper?
it. I got it.
Oh, you want to pick it up like that?
I'ma pick
Instead of
it
you
up.
don't have to clean up the pooper scooper?
Yeah. I got it. Give me.
It ain't soft no more, right?
Nope, it's super dry.
You got it all?
Almost.
You can't do it twice now. What are you doing?
Go put it on the side of the house. Tie it up.
Mama, I popped the bubble. He popped my own. With this bag. I had my hand in it.
I don't come up here with that.
Yay, the poopy gone.
Now with the stepping door. Beep, you're going too slow. You're going too
Y'all doing around the bubbles ain't coming out, huh?
I know.
Where's the bubbles?
I don't have enough.
Oh, y'all gone. She gone. Two left. You gonna follow them? No? What's getting closer? What are you talking about? You scared of a butterfly?
You're going. Stop.
2013 Girls Out Riding a Bike. April 14, 2013.
A week before my birthday.
A week before Candace's birthday.
And we're waiting for my birthday too.
Oh, waiting for Gracie's
It's gonna be
birthday
a long
too.
time before me and Grace's birthday comes.
Y'all in the same month.
Hannah's is in a week. Ours is like 1,000 months.
Ain't no
I was
thousand.
like a lot. I'm like,
Y'all's in August 15th and August 26th.
behind her.
What?
Look on my nose in the bear hunt. Look on my
A bear hunt.
Look over there.
Look over there. I
You don't know what they talking about?
see. Look over there.
Look cool fuzzy tail. Run! It's a bear.
Look over there. With fuzzy little tail.
Hannah Gracie made up this song.
No, she did.
And a fuzzy tail. And one. It's a bear. The bear is chasing me. The bear is chasing me. The bear is chasing me.
What are you doing?